Hello guys and welcome back to Listener. So I just want to share this thing to you guys right now. If you have been actually adding to your account, you've been taking small trades like this right here all the way up, very nice. Your account is increasing and you want to start using bigger lot sizes. Remember this: the only way you can be profitable is by using a bigger time frame analysis. Now you can see that this is quite bulky. Please, this is quite bulky. Don't try to understand this that much. The only thing I'm quite interested in is this zone right here. That is my high demand zone and my high supply zone. Now, this right here is a rejection I was already actually looking for. You can see that we are having that rejection. So what am I doing? I'm hoping and waiting for price to pull all the way back down to my high demand zone so that I can buy. Now, if you want to be buying bigger lot sizes, this is what you need to do. If you are going to sell, the bigger time frame should be selling. If you are going to do what? Buy, the bigger time frame should be what? Buying. This is very important because when you are using bigger lot sizes, there is no room for error. The reason why I'm saying there is no room for error is just from here to here, I could be losing about 2K thereabouts. And I don't really want to do this. I don't want to lose that. So if you are executing a trade on a bigger time frame and you also have to catch bigger moves, catching bigger moves is very nice. It's going to maximize and multiply the account extremely fast. You understand that? This is the type of moves that you should be catching. At the same time, this is the losses you should be what? Making. Do you see the differences? The move that I want to catch is 10 times bigger than the loss I'm trying to do to make. That is how you multiply and push your account to 10K, 20K, 30K very fast, because you are going to be using a bigger time frame. If you are using a bigger time frame, all you need to do is come back to a 1 minute, 5 minute time frame. With that level, I'm currently on a 1 minute time frame. You can see the execution, very nice. What was I using to do to execute the trade? Nothing big. I'm just waiting for price to do have a series of movement that shows that sellers are coming into the market and the buying pressure is coming down. When you look from this zone all the way up, you can see that yes, we're still taking out higher highs, but immediately after this level, sellers came in, buyers tried pushing or conquering again, but they couldn't. This is showing a reversal. And by looking at the bigger time frame, I already know that we had a massive rejection from this zone and price is rejecting at this level, coming down again, meaning this was just an immediate reaction. Sellers will eventually push through it. So I'm willing to execute the sell from this range all the way down to this zone right here. At the same time, I can see that we have a double top right here. So if price actually comes all the way down and take out this low right here, that is a confirmation of the short burst strategy. I'll be looking forward to selling from this range around this zone right here again all the way down to this level right here. This is how this works. So despite me using a bigger lot size, I don't trade on bigger time frames because I can't naturally trade on bigger time frames with this bigger lot sizes. It will not make any sense. No matter how huge your account is, it's not going to make any sense. And mind you, if you are trading with a bigger lot size, if price reaches this zone, so let's say, let me just do this probably to bring it back the way it was. All right. So I think this is all right. So if price is doing if price comes all the way down to this zone right here, and on a bigger time frame, you are seeing something that looks like a rejection, please just exit one trade. You can leave the last trade to push all the way down, but you are using a bigger lot size. You've already made triple or twice your account size. Imagine if I was using a $20 account and I bought at least 0.5. This was huge. This rejection right here wouldn't have gotten me out of the trade, or it wouldn't have liquidated me. I still would have been a massive profit, and it would have been twice or three times my account size. So I just go ahead and close one. I've already had three times my account size. I'm leaving only one for the price to push all the way down. Simple as that. So there's no strategy that can be fully successful without the bigger time frame involvement, right? So all you need to do is please pay attention to your bigger time frames. Execution is very simple. Execution, very simple. You can always wait for your execution, but you can always wait for your losses. Please try your best and understand this. Try your best and start trading towards or according to the bigger time frame. So this is what we are currently having. I'm highly confident we are pushing all the way down and we are pushing through, despite we still being in an uptrend. I've told you, don't try to understand whatever is on this chart. It's going to be quite bulky for you. I understand every single thing on it, but please try your best and use the bigger time frame. This right here is the 4-hour time frame. You can use it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Let's see how this trend or this movement actually pushes all the way through.
One eternity later.
I can equally execute my buy. I think we currently have a what? Well, this is massive. This right here is massive. I was going to say I think we currently have news, but I think the news just what striked right. Now that was me being surprised after price started pushing massively. Now sorry because you did not actually get to see how massive that trade was, because I was actually concerned about a different strategy. I was talking about a different strategy before it actually pushed all the way down. But this is it right here. This was a trade. As you can see, the full TP actually got hit. But because there was news, if this was just a normal trend, I would have allowed it. But because there were news, I don't really trade news. I just have to get out. So I got out around this range. But you can see that everything hit. The full TP got what? Hit. Very, very nice. So this is how you catch big moves, and this is how you multiply your account. Try your best and learn how to trade. Please don't joke with it. It's a very serious thing. And when you learn how to do it, trust me, everything is just going to be easy every single day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.